Intro.
Hello and welcome back to another video. This is my New Year special video where I'm going to be going over the Google Pixel A series buds, and I'm going to be reviewing it and unboxing it and all the good stuff. And I just want to say thank you for a great 2023 year of all the support, all the fun content I made on this channel, and I just want to say thank you because you are what makes this channel special. And especially this last previous video, I really appreciated all the support, all the comments, and everything. Thank you for that. Now, if you enjoy this video, please subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. I'm trying to get better at this content, and it's great to know what you all enjoy. Alright, back to the video. About the earbuds, I previously lost my old earbuds. They were the JBLs, and I got them for 30 bucks. They were around 60 on retail price, but I got them on Black Friday last year. So I used them for about 8 months, and I lost them. Very cool story, right? But I lost them, and I need new earbuds that I can find if I lose them, and I want something that's more ergonomic in my pocket, and something I won't lose if I wear it or drop it. These were kind of the ones I found. These were originally 100 bucks, but I got them for 65 on Amazon on Black Friday. Now, looking at this box and package, it's very bare bones. I mean, you've got the cardboard box with saran wrap around it. And I just want to, jump right into the unboxing. Hope you all enjoy. And if you have any comments, please put them down. I'll definitely look at the comment section. So I'd really appreciate it if you comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you. Also, I want to add that this video is not sponsored. This is just my genuine opinion and review. In the front, it says Google Pixel A series. Let's spin it around. We've got a picture of the earbuds inside the case, and on the back, things like Bluetooth 4.0. All the features require 6.0 for some features. This came out in 2022. Alright, on this side, just Google. And the Google logo. Alright, so I think that's it. I think we can hop right into unboxing this.
Unboxing.
Yeah, so basically I just really wanted to start off this year with something cool, I've been doing a lot of computer videos, but I'd say this was a fun way to start off the year and get a little bit of a special video and just show my thanks to everyone as well. But I really did need these earbuds because I lose a lot of items, especially technology, so I want to see how this is. One of the biggest things is that these earbuds are that there's GPS, so that you can actively find where your earbuds are at if you lose them, which is very big because I do a lot of traveling, so it's really important for me to have this. Let's see, so open this up. Nice. So right when you open it, in the front you get the case, and I'm guessing the case has earbuds inside it. The case comes with this plastic thing on top, and oh, found it. Okay, so you peel this, and then is there anything else to peel? Peel this, and it comes off. Oof, that was satisfying. Yes, there the earbuds are. Alright, so there's an LED in the front to indicate battery. Light turns static when you close it. I think this allows for pairing. Alright, let's take a closer look at everything else before this. Alright, let's see. What else do we have? This is a case holder. Then we've got another piece of cardboard. Okay, we've got the charger. Yay, this comes with chargers because a lot of things don't come with chargers these days. And then what else? What is this? What is this? Oh, these are ear tips. Earbud tips. Okay, so it's got 4 different tips. Yeah, it's got 4 different tips for different sizes. I think there's smaller ones, and then it's got the instruction manual. All right, let's put the stuff back. All right, so basically all that came with was instruction manual. We've got a charger, some earbud tips, and of course the earbuds themselves. I kind of like the contrast. It's like a Star Wars stormtrooper, you know, white with a white case with the black earbuds. I don't know if this was specifically called black colored, or was it some other color name that they came up with, but it's glossy black on the inside. I don't know if you can see it in the light. Yeah, it's glossy black, but the earbuds, their ends are kind of matte finish rubber. It's like rubber, while the inside is very glossy. And this tip is also made of rubber. The ear support. So we got that. And some of the biggest features of these earbuds. Let me put them here. Some of the biggest features of these earbuds is that there's GPS tracking, and the great thing is that if they're nearby, of course, like some other products out there, they ring, and if you're very far away, you can use GPS navigation to find through your phone when it was last paired, so you can, go back and check because that's probably where you misplaced it. Unless, you kept it off and you lost it somewhere. Well, then it's a lost case. But otherwise, you can see the last track location. Of course, this has active noise cancellation, which is another big reason I got it, because my old earbuds didn't have that. What? I don't know what this is. Oh, it's power. Okay, it's a power button, I think. Yeah, it's a power button. But the case is kind of like a rubberized texture. And along with this, it's got the earbuds are sweatproof and waterproof. And there's a beam-forming microphone with these earbuds.
Review.
Hello and welcome back. This is the second part of the video. This is a couple days after the first part where I unboxed it. And I'm going to be going over how I test the product and how it was and how it holds up against other current earbuds. So let's open this up again. I put it back in the box. Again, this is more of a textured material, which is much better than my old earbuds. I had like $60 JBLs, which I got for $30 on last year's Black Friday, but this Black Friday I got these for $60. So, and these are $65, but these were originally $100. And let's just see how it is. Like, I'll go over all the features again. It comes with active noise cancellation along with GPS tracking, and it also has it's sweatproof and waterproof along with the beam-forming microphone, and it's got 12mm drivers. I'll talk more about that later, but it also has 5 hours of use with 24 hours on the case, and it's got extra ear support while walking. I mean, it's alright, like the extra ear support is helpful, but it's kind of like the older earbuds. It's helpful to a certain extent. Like, it's really not that useful. And I'll go over the buttons and usage. So I've been using these for the past 2 days. It's definitely very nice for bass. Like, the bass is so much better than my old earbuds, and JBLs are known to be decently good at having good bass. So this was pretty good. I'd say, like, I mostly watched some YouTube videos, listened to some music, that sort of stuff. So I'd say these were pretty well for the price, and they really were quality. Like, you're not going to be complaining about the sound quality. There's definitely better options out there in the market. Like there's Sony's, and of course the direct competitor to this is the Samsung Buds FE, as they came out nearly at the same time, and the functions and everything are mostly similar. But I'll go over some of my positives and negatives first. So the positives of this is that, of course, good quality music, and the tapping function works really well. Like if you tap once, the video pauses, or music, tap again, plays. If you double tap, it skips to the next thing. So those are kind of the main functions I used it for. But active noise cancellation works really well on this. I'm not really good at testing that. I haven't been able to test it much. But yeah, and I'd say one of the bad parts about this is the side ear support. There's quite a bit of like rubbing against the side of your ear. I'll show pictures of me wearing it, but it rubs against your ear quite a bit, and it kind of hurts. Like it's good for support if you're running and stuff, but otherwise it may become a little bit annoying, because it kind of did for me. So be aware of that, as this is not a usual function among a lot of headphones these days. So that was kind of my usage. I only used it here and there for watching videos on YouTube or listening to music on Spotify. But I'll compare this to a couple of other headphones out there. A couple of headphones, like, of course, this case is very similar to AirPods, and I kind of like this case. It's very good because it won't take up too much space in your pocket in comparison to the second gen AirPods, because I'm not going to compare it to the newer ones, because this is a little bit more of a budget earbud. So the battery life is exactly the same as the second gen AirPods. So that was kind of one of the key factors of comparing it to that. And the third gen AirPods are 6 hours on a charge and 30 hours with the case of use. So definitely the second gen is much better comparison. However, I wasn't sure about this, but I believe the AirPods have smaller drivers, around 11 millimeters, and this is 12. That doesn't mean that one is necessarily better or worse. It depends upon the quality of drivers, but what it means that it'll be louder and bass will be a little heavier. So that's kind of the only difference with drivers, but it doesn't necessarily mean one is better than the other. It's just up to your preference. But the Samsung Bud FE, comparing that to this, is going to be the best bet, because these are kind of the same sort of budget aspect. And of course, the Samsung Bud FE has active noise cancellation. It has GPS functions similar to this. It has extended ear support. While not being rubberized material like this, it still does. And the big differences are that Samsung has 30 hours on the case versus the 24 hours on the Google Pixel Buds A series. And Samsung Buds have IPX2 waterproof resistance. Some of the downsides of the Samsung Buds is that they have 6.5 millimeter driver, which is smaller, so that means less bass, a little less loud than the Google Pixel. And it doesn't mean that one's better than the other, but again, it's up to your preference.
Conclusion.
My conclusion is that even though the retail price is $100 and there's better options out there for $100, they're still good up to the current technologies, and they do really well in comparison. And the Samsungs are better, but I got these on sale, so $65, which is a much better deal for this than the Samsung Buds FE on Black Friday. So I got these, but they're going to give you decent performance. Like if you lose them, you're going to find them again most of the time. And of course, it has the regular waterproof resistance. It's got all the features in a budget model. It's more of a budget model. So don't expect the best out there, but it's still going to be really good. Of course, Google has its more expensive earbuds. However, this was perfect for my needs because it's not too expensive. It's going to deliver quality performance and last me a while. So yeah, so I'd say it's good for $65. Even $85 if it's on sale. Be sure to grab it if you need earbuds. But of course, if you want, better sound quality, there's Sony, there's Samsung, and AirPods always are reliable. But if you're an Android user, there's a lot of perks to using this. And it's kind of one of the bigger options, but Of course, you can consider the more expensive options in the Pixel Bud series. I just want to say that thank you for all the support for this past year, and especially for the last video. I got a lot of support on that. I really appreciate it. I'm gonna be back to my regular computer content, like PC building, all that sort of stuff. So this is just my New Year video special. So this is kind of a way of saying thank you, and just making a little bit of a different video. And I wish you all a happy New Year. Please subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And once again, thank you for your support, and Happy New Year. Peace out.